You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a magical kingdom called the Kingdom of Water. It was ruled by a beautiful and kind queen named Aqua, who had the power to control the tides and the currents of the sea. The Kingdom of Water was a wondrous place, filled with mermaids, sea creatures, and underwater castles made of coral and shells. The mermaids would sing and dance, and the fish would playfully swim around them. The kingdom was peaceful and happy, but one day, something terrible happened. A dark and evil sea witch named Ursula came to the kingdom, seeking to take over the throne and rule the sea. She was jealous of Queen Aqua's power and wanted it for herself. Ursula cast a spell on the kingdom, causing the water to turn murky and foul, and the sea creatures to become sick and weak. Queen Aqua tried everything she could to break the spell, but nothing seemed to work. She knew she needed help, so she sent out a message to all the kingdoms of the world, asking for a hero to come and save her kingdom. One day, a young prince named Eric received the message. He was brave and kind-hearted and decided to accept the quest. He set sail on his ship, determined to save the Kingdom of Water. As he arrived at the kingdom, he saw the devastation caused by Ursula's spell. He knew he had to act fast, so he went to see Queen Aqua. She told him about Ursula and her evil plan to take over the kingdom. Eric knew he had to face Ursula and defeat her, but he didn't know how. He decided to seek the help of the wise octopus, who lived in a cave deep in the sea. The octopus had the power to see the future and could tell Eric what to do. Eric went to see the octopus, who told him that the only way to break Ursula's spell was to find the magical pearl that was hidden in the deepest part of the sea. The pearl had the power to make the water clear and pure again, and to heal the sick sea creatures. Eric set off on his quest to find the pearl. He had to face many dangers, including a giant squid and a school of sharks. But he persevered and finally found the pearl. He brought the pearl back to Queen Aqua, who used it to break Ursula's spell. The water became clear and pure again, and the sea creatures were healed. Ursula was defeated and banished from the Kingdom of Water forever. Eric was hailed as a hero, and Queen Aqua thanked him for saving her kingdom. Eric knew he had made many new friends in the Kingdom of Water and promised to come back and visit them soon. And so, the Kingdom of Water was happy and peaceful once again, thanks to the bravery and kindness of Prince Eric. The mermaids sang and danced, the fish playfully swam around them, and the sea creatures lived happily ever after.